Hi, my name is Matt. I'm an operational trainer at HiHi, and in today's video we're going to look at how to add a contact on the HiHi3.
Hi.
Hi.
So to add a contact onto my HiHi3, I'm going to start off from the home page. From here I'll need to go into my phone app where I can key in the phone number to add in my new contact. If I open up the phone app, from here I've got my keypad on the left hand side of the screen. This is what I use to key in the phone number I'd like to add into my contact list. So if I manually key in our HiHi number, 0330 135 8989, what you'll see is as I type this phone number in, I have an option just here to the right that says Add to Contacts. Tapping on this Add to Contacts button will give me two options. I can add this phone number to an existing contact, which would open up your contact list and let you choose from that list, or I can add a new contact. We're going to be adding in a new contact, so I'll select the new contact option. From here, there's a couple different fields I can fill in. The only ones I need are a name and a phone number. The rest of these fields are all optional. So I'll go ahead and key in the name for my new contact. So now that I've got the details for my new contact filled in, I'm going to go ahead and save this contact. So I can tap on the save button on the top right. That'll save my new contact. Here you'll see the number I previously typed in. I can give them a call if I want to, but for now I'm going to go back to my address book to look at this new contact. It is also worth mentioning that you can add contacts to your address book from the recent calls list. So that's over there on the right. From here, if you tap on one of your recent calls, you'll have the same options to create a new contact, just as if I typed in the number manually. So I'm going to go ahead and view this new contact that we've just added. If I head back to my contacts list, on here I have a tab labeled My Contacts. That'll show me all of the contacts I've manually added into the phone. So if I tap on My Contacts, I can now see the HiHi contact we recently added. So going back to my home screen, that's how to add a new contact onto the HiHi3.